Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been some time, man. Man. But yeah, man, due to the pandemic and restrictions, we couldn't really record anything over the years. But it's done. It's board is finished. Um yeah, so we're gonna unveil it and hope you guys like it.
Oh, my arthrosis.
Ah, all people. And there it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Dave's gonna tell you a little bit about it, what we've done. 'Cause I can't remember.
We did the big bore, oil cooler, extended axle, painted the frame.
We did. Yeah, we did.
Oh, and seat.
Yeah. Looks very, very good. Yeah, guys. So
Did you shave?
Oh, he shaved. Oh no. But yeah, we're gonna showcase a little bit, and hope you guys like what we did, and yeah, enjoy it. Alright guys, so that's the bold. I hope you enjoyed the showcase. I hope you enjoyed what we've done to it. Give us some ideas on the next bold, seeing as we're done with this one. So comment down below. Let us know what you want to see. Hopefully we can do it for you guys. And catch us on the next one. Or I guess we're not done.